Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the photo to become the Barbie version, and it is for free because we will use this Toon app. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you can install this Toon app, and don't worry because this app can be installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and kindly wait for the opening or the advertisement, guys. And after that it will bring you into this homepage, and since we would like to create the Barbie version, then we can choose this 3D cartoon. Click this.
You can create similar videos
and
in
wait
just
for
1
the ad.
minute.
And after that it will bring you into this field, and you can start to select the picture from your gallery. And for example, I will choose this one. And you can also manage which part that you would like to create the face to become a cartoon or the Barbie version. For example, you can slide it until it's precise, and I will click the create cartoon. So you can try to change the theme over here. There are avatar, Belle 1 and Belle 2 and Belle 3. You can choose which one that is more suitable. I won't choose this zombie because it's really scary. It's like the combination of Barbie and cartoon. It's not really show the 3D aspect. I think that this one or this one is more like the Barbie, really the Barbie version. So you can explore more about the theme that it is provided here, and you can also choose this toggle to become activated that shows the original image, and if you're not, then you can just inactivate it like this, and you can start to select or save this picture into your gallery by clicking this button. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this application into your device, and if you have any requests or feedback, don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.